What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. You're watching Journey into Wealth. I'm James. This is part 2, or I guess the second version of the Amazon liquidation pallets box things that I bought for 20 bucks a piece from a lady who liquidates Amazon goods. If you haven't seen the first one, check that video out after you watch this one. We're going to see if this box does as good for us as the other box. I don't have a camera person today, so it's just going to be me holding the camera, but bear with me. We're going to see if we find some cool stuff. I'm going to scan, and I'm going to see if I made any money on 20 bucks. Going to be hard not to, but yeah, stick around. All right, getting into this thing. I'm hoping for a big score like last time. Where do we even start? What is this? Some sort of an extension stand. I don't have any idea. It's right over here. Military surplus crap. Cool. Dude, there's actually, this is the second thing for firearms that I've found. The last box had firearm stuff too. What is this? Cable of some sort. Safari Land. Oh, another, dude. What is it for? Is that a SIG? Yep. P229R. Little holster. I found a holster last time too. Let's see here. There's a microphone or something. All right, we're just going fast on this stuff. Instead of doing, what is this, a tourniquet? Instead of doing the, like what we did last time, where I look every single thing up, I'm just going to find the highlights, and I'll post them at the end. I have no idea what this is. Down there is what it is. True Spin prop balancer, huh? Oh, I actually need one of these for my drone. Hey, look at that. It's got everything in there, it looks like. You guys look up this stuff in the on eBay and tell me how I did. How about that? Mini display. Yeah, no, I'll take that as well. Looks like that's just trash. HDMI cable. Oh, nice. I actually was just about to buy one of these because I need one for my listing. Dude, I'm scoring pretty good on this. Victor, what is this? Mousetrap? We're going super speed here. Dude, a lot of this stuff is brand new in the package, so it's sellable for sure. I don't see anything that's wrong with it. What's going on here? Look that up. Let me know how I did on that. That might be something. I bet it's for a shaver or something stupid like that. What do we have here? Microfiber sports and travel towel. A counterfeit tri-test thing for money. Looks like it's in there. Maybe the box was just damaged. Oh, we'll look into that. Might be something fun to have. What is this? Hockey mask, maybe? Face guard. Looks like it's usable and sellable. More gun stuff. Dude, please be something cool in here. Oh, this is open. This is cut open back here. I wonder if something's missing. We'll have to look at that later, I guess. Oh, these are little rubber silicone wedding band things. Get that out of here. What are these? Delta Airlines. Oh, dude, Delta Airlines wings. Those actually might be collectible. I don't know what series those are, but those might actually be collectible. Hey, Grillstone. I will use this tomorrow. Oh, a door handle for something. That's probably sellable. Maybe a good five or 10 bucks. Arrow staples. Dude, all of this stuff has been really good condition. Master lock. I don't know what that is. It's been really good condition. And pretty much all in its own case. Like this Jafar. Check that out. Let me know how I did on that. Let's see here. Oop, multiples, good. I like multiples. What the heck is this thing? On Guard Neotex Protective Clothing. Alright. That might come in handy for the, what else we got in here? Black Panther Dorbs. I don't know if that's any good or not, but check it out. Hey, I can use that right now. These are those gardening gloves. That's what those are, aren't they? Yeah, they got like hard claws on there so you can garden and claw in the dirt and not hurt your fingers. High tie. Probably not sellable, but whatever. Looks like it's new. What do we got here? Ooh, I gotta get these up if they actually sell, because those will go pretty good. I got a couple packages. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of them. Nice. So I can sell multiples or in bulk. What else is in here? What do we got? Music from the films of Tim Burton. Brand new, a little bit dirty, but adds some cracking. More Dorbs. What is this? Planet of the Apes guy? Oh, where's the barcode at? Looks like somebody was trying to scan. There was quite a few people there trying to scan. Oh, I already got one of those. Ooh, another one. I hope that does well. If I get 20 bucks a piece for those or something like that, that'd be great. What is this? I don't know what that is. It doesn't want to come out of there either. Alright. Hey, there we go. I can use that. I wonder if that's actually in there. Some box damage, but sounds like it's in there. Oh, these are the you put like little cleat things in there, and you can walk on like epoxy flooring and stuff like that while you're doing that. Well, that's what I know them as anyway. I don't know if they sell or not, but that's what those are. I'm pretty sure anyway. Let me know if I'm wrong. Phantom. Oh, why is this wet? It's wet. Phantom 4 propellers. Are they actually in there? Yeah, they're in there. Maybe I'll just take them out and rebag them. Propellers, I mean, you can get those wet. Oh, you know what that is? I know what this is. Oh, God, I hope it's not a return. That's a bidet. Toilet paper crisis 2020. No longer a problem. Alright, what else we got in here? Look at these guys. Las Vegas. Oh, dude, imagine if these were like real legit Vegas chips. I would have just made so much money. How do I know they're not? At $100 a pop? Dude, I'd be rolling. 3D Pack Digitools. I hope you guys are looking these up while I'm going through them. Looks like some sort of a tablet. I don't know. Extra little thing. There's a lot of stuff in this box, actually. This is not as good a box as the last one, I don't think, but what the heck is this? Some sort of auto part? What else is in here? Let's go. Ooh, PS4 game. Some Allen keys. I'm always down for some tools. Let's see here. Oh, case is all jacked. I bet you the game's not even in it. Oh, shit, it is. Watch Dogs for PS4. Let me know if that's worth something. There we go. I like that. Oh, there's a couple PS4 games in here. What is this? Master the Art of Selling audiobook. Okay. Foo Fighters. I'll keep that for myself. What is this? I don't know what that is. Metal Whistle? Alright. What is this? Another PS4 game. What is it? Until Dawn, Rush of Blood. I don't do games, so let me know in the comments if these are any good. It's not really what I sell. I just thought I would take a kind of a guess on a lot of this stuff. There you go. That's in there as well. All right, that's another one in here. Dark Souls 3. Dude, I'm actually surprised these games are in there. The packaging is jacked on them, but they might be able to sell the games just as discs. I don't know. I don't really know how it works. What are these? Smiley World Express Yourself tattoos. Yeah, we'll give those to the boy and let him have some fun with them. MTech, that's a knife company. What is this? Oh yeah, knife retailer. I wonder if there's a knife in there. Sounds like there is. Let's open it up. I'm always down for knives. In fact, I need a knife to open the knife. Oh, for the love of God. These are going to be raw and uncut, just so you know. Let's go. Boom. Alright. Yeah, look at that. There's a knife in there. Looks like it's a decent little knife, too. Let's open her up and see what's up. I mean, I don't know that MTech makes really good knives for really, but that's kind of cool. It's got the little wrenches. Might be a decent little EDC. Is it spring-loaded? Ooh, it is. That's fancy schmancy. There we go. I wonder how much that goes for. I'm a knife fanatic. I love knives. So this will probably stay with me. Anyway, moving on. Whoops. Okay. Next thing. What is that? Oh, it's a bra. A wake hole bra. 36D. But hey, it's got a price tag on it. Hold on. $55 price tag right there. What the hell? There we go. Oh, looks like it's still in the package, so. What are these? That's Texas Longhorns, isn't it? Is that what that is? Yeah, collegiate merchandise. Okay, a little Texas Longhorns bag. What else we got in here? What are these? Replacement blades for some scissor shear things. Andy Snip M14Ns. Look at those on eBay. Let me know how I do. All this stuff is going to go on. Ooh, that's a gimbal. This was returned, stated that it didn't work. Make offer. Dude, it's like all in here. I wonder if it doesn't really work, or if they just wanted their money back. Oh, we're going to have to play with this in a little bit and see. It doesn't look promising. Oh well. Maybe sell it as parts, who knows. Oh, what else do we got in here? What is this? Tank divider. Oh, for fish tanks. Alright. What else? Oh, are these those little cleats for the for those shoes? No, I don't think so. I think those are for actual cleats. What is this? Maximum power. That's a Nikon battery. I know that. Oh, all right. That's a. Never mind, kids. What is that? Oh, do we need teeth whitening? Take that home, put it in my mouth. And then, what is this thing? CDI, new racing. I don't know. Look that up and let me know how I did on that as well. And that's it, guys. Right there. This is all the crap that just came out of that $20 box. All right, so let me know how I did on that box. I think that I did pretty well. For 20 bucks, dude, I mean, I was buying because you can't not buy it at 20 bucks a box. She was just trying to clear some stuff. You should have seen her garage in her backyard. It was crazy. So I took 2 boxes just because, I don't know, I've been burned in the past on like liquidation type stuff, but apparently I'm wondering if I can go back and maybe grab a couple more boxes because that appears to me to be decent stuff. Smalls, lightweight, easy to ship. A lot of it's kind of dirty. But, you know, that's what you get. So we'll clean it up, we'll list it, and I'll make a future video let you know if I did well on it, let you know if I made some money. I think that I did pretty good. I think that on the last video, I found something really cool. If you haven't watched that video, go watch that right now. That's gonna pay for the whole lot plus some. Anyway, guys, I appreciate you watching. If you would please like, favorite, comment, subscribe. Let me know what your favorite find was in the comment section below. And if you got eBay values or anything like that, shoot it down in the comments. Let me know what things are worth. Let me know how I did. I appreciate you watching. Thanks. See you next time. Okay, bye.